Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Bridget Renee. So I'm coming in today to share with you guys my delicious, easy, cheesy chicken and cheese quesadillas. These are so delicious. I also made some nachos with the chicken on top, but I'm going to be showing you the quesadillas first. So if interested, please keep watching. So I start off seasoning my chicken strips with some chili powder, some paprika, some onion powder, and also some garlic powder. So once I season my chicken, I just like to go ahead and just rub that in and massage it in really good on the chicken. I did not add any salt to the chicken because I'm going to add that later on, as you'll see, because I don't want it to be salty. So now I have my pan is ready with a little bit of oil in there. It's nice and hot, and I'm simply going to just sear these chicken breasts until they are cooked through, and it's going to get nice and golden brown and delicious, and it's going to be the bomb. It's going to be still juicy. It's not going to be dried out. It's going to be so delicious. So just frying it up, and this is what it looks like. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. I also like to do my chicken like this whenever I'm doing a salad as well. It's, oh my God, so good when I do a grilled chicken salad. But anyway, so this is what the chicken is looking like in my pan. And once it is browned on both sides, I like to go ahead and take it out of the grease and put it to the side. Next, in the pan with a little bit of oil, I just take my vegetables. And here I have the three peppers, which is onions and green and yellow and red bell pepper. I have those in there. That's my chicken that I had already shredded when it was cool. I'm just going to season it with some taco seasoning, and I have 1 can of the diced chilies that I like to put in there. I mix that up, and also, you guys, taste your chicken. Taste your chicken, make sure that it's seasoned up, and that's how you will know if you need to add some salt. So at that point, I did add some salt to my chicken and made sure that my seasonings were really good, and I adjusted how much of the taco seasoning that I put in there as well. I did not use that whole pack of taco seasoning. I just added it to my taste, to my liking. So that's what you want to do with that taco seasoning, as well as with your salt. You want to add it to your desire. Don't put too much, but just enough. So I have my griddle iron. It was nice and hot with a little bit of oil on there, and as you can see, I just put my 3 cheese blend on there. It's the Fiesta cheese blend. I put that on there first, then I add that delicious chicken right on top, and then I'm going to load it up with some more cheese, just like so, and we're just going to let it brown and crisp. And pretty much that's it, y'all, and y'all can just enjoy the rest of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Bye.